What would a burger place be without fries? What would a fried chicken place be if they only served baked chicken? It's a world I wouldn't want to live in. But sometimes, due to the cost of poorly maintained fryers, restaurants are spending way more than they have to produce these delicious items. Fryers can sometimes be the most important tool in a kitchen because they're responsible for making some of the high margin items that restaurants need to survive. Think things like fries or apple pies. But fryers can also be incredibly expensive because they use a lot of oil, and the cost of oil has gone up significantly in recent years, more than 100% since before the pandemic in some cases. And so because of these big costs, a lot of restaurants will try to save by skipping out on deep cleaning or preventative maintenance, but this is a big mistake. Poorly maintained fryers can use as much as 20% more oil. But let's put some context behind what 20% means. A rough estimate for the amount of oil that a McDonald's location uses in like an urban area is 3,750 liters per year. So that 20% is roughly 800 liters or 200 gallons of cooking oil. So at a cost of about $2 per liter of cooking oil, that's an extra $1,600 a year in extra oil costs. I get it, it can be annoying, time-consuming, and expensive to get a qualified technician to come in and service your machines. It can also be really expensive to have to take your machines out of service to do deep cleaning. Ultimately, the decision you're going to need to make though is, would you rather spend $1,600 a year on extra oil, or would you rather call in the maintenance guy or do the deep cleaning? In addition to those extra oil costs though, fryers that are poorly maintained can use 15% more energy and have a shorter useful life. So that means you're not just spending $1,600 on extra oil, you also have extra depreciation and you have bigger power bills. So I know it's really tempting to kick the can down the road and save a little bit of money now, but doing that deep cleaning, doing that preventative maintenance on your fryer can save you a lot of money in the long run.